Hello everybody, welcome back. We've made it to an event called the Skoolie U.P. So it's going to be an annual event. This is the first annual. It's a schoolie or school bus conversion type event, and a good many showed up for the first annual, and we did find our friends that we're hanging out with. So we're gonna take a little ride around here and check some stuff out. So we are parked right here, and we're gathered with a group of friends all in here, and it's probably a little bit windy today. I'll have to we'll see how this goes. But behind this guy, there's a group of buses down here, and they're scattered along here, and then there's a bunch down the field further. But this is a regular campground that I can't pronounce the name unless I'm looking at it, and then I'm lucky to do so. But they have regular RV spots down here, a nice pavilion, a restaurant and bar. You know, it's a pretty nice place. So we're gonna take a ride around here and check some things out. So let's go up here by the restaurant and bar first. And they have basics. The restaurant, there's an ice machine there. And they just have like burgers and pizza, chips, other snacks. I hear the pizza is really good though. And there's the pavilion. We'll gather here a little bit later on. There's a section over here on the left there that was full hookup with water, electric, and sewage. I think that's full hookup section over there. And then over to the right here, they have little cabins. And this is right along Route Highway 2, which just runs around the north side of the Lake Michigan. Let's go in this over here. There's another loop over here that's more wooded. It's really nice back in there. We'll take a ride back there in a little bit. Yeah, it's nice and wooded, and I think they just have water and electric, no sewage hookups over there. And there's an activity field on the left. Here's more of those cabins on the right hand side. Let's swing around here and just have a quick peek at. See, they're just nice little cabins for rent. And back to the activity field. I think there's having some kids games and stuff, water balloons, that sort of thing here. And there's more of those hookups. Yeah, that loop starts right here to the left. And we'll come back. We'll take a swing down through there because it's really nice. And then back to the restaurant and bars on top there. And they do have showers and laundry down on the lower level. So, okay, we've made a complete loop here. Let's go down to where the buses are. Yeah, here we're camped over here to the right. And some people have gotten pretty creative with their buses, like this one here, we'll see. And we might come back and revisit this too. They're talking about a toy hauler. There's some serious toys there. So this is like the boondocking section. One end here is like for solar, and the other areas for generators. But you can see that, even though it's labeled, a schoolie event, relating to school buses, it's not limited to school buses. It's all inclusive of, shuttle buses and like tour buses, all conversion buses, certainly not just school buses. So, all right, let's get turned around. All right, we're facing the sun now, so all the buses probably got dark. The camera's self-adjusted. I should have started up at the other end and came down, but let's get up to the other end and get turned around a little bit better. The buses will show up better, I'm sure. But this event, I mean, they had a bunch of scheduled activities, from scavenger hunts and craft time and community campfires, a community breakfast. They have trivia day and bingo, beach day where everybody meets and is interested and goes to the local beach on Lake Michigan. And 50-50 raffles. They have a singles night and a movie night. Bingo. They have a barbecue night. They had a group kayaking trip where everybody met up and left at 7 a.m. and went on a kayaking trip. And they had a chili cook-off too. So lots of events. Okay, we're turned around there. The buses light up a lot better, don't they? So yeah, and they have a open house. So you know, on Sunday they, which is actually today, there's an open house where people show their, you know, how they've done their buses up. Watch out, little doggy dog. All right, let's go back up here a little bit. I think I want to circle back down. There's another big open field here and a big dog, a huge dog, what they call a dog path. And then there's more buses and campers down in that wooded loop we went past earlier. So we'll take a swing over this way. Now straight up through the woods here, you'll see a huge path cut out over there and out there in the distance. And it's actually like a dirt road that goes out through there, but they call that their dog walk. That goes out there forever. But yeah, it's a place to go for walks and take your dog or whatever. So yeah, and there's some buses over here too, and regular campers. But this is the loop here. We'll go around here to the left. This is the loop here that has the just the basic hookups of electric and water, and not sewage. Just that one area over on the other side of the road had the sewage hookups. But there is a dump station here too for those that need it. Yeah, this is pretty nice here if you prefer the wooded, the more wooded feel and shade. Let's get around the bend up here, and we'll probably have a better look at these sites. Yeah, I managed to get a GoPro mounted on my vehicle here, which I'll reveal my new vehicle here at some point in the future. Yeah, this is nice. And kind of a nice quiet area too, away from all the activities. So more tranquil down in this section. So we'll go back up here around the loop here and back up to the road. Yeah, up ahead there is where that up there, there's probably 12 or 14 sites I'm thinking up there that has the sewage included. Yeah, this is a really nice place. I've really enjoyed it here. It's it has been nice. The place is all laid out. Pretty okay, I'd say. I think we'll make our way up here and go back over to camp here and let Bella back out. Oh, here they're starting to unload some of the supplies for the potluck later on, which I am very much looking forward to. Alright, so we're gonna head here back past the restaurant and go up to where we're camped at and let Bella out and see what everybody's up to. Yeah, here's our circle, our little gathering spot here. Okay, go. And he says, "Where'd Bella go? Where'd she go? Come on, Moo. Come on." I know. Bella says, "What's Moo doing in our van? Huh? What's Moo doing up here?" Bella says, I'm gonna come up here and guard my bed." Moo. Was you having a little snack? Was you having a little snack on Bella's? Huh? Are you having some lunch? Bella says, "That's okay. We got plenty." There's more where that comes from, huh? We keep plenty. A lot of these buses have some really nice paint jobs, and we'll look at a couple of those too. This has to be my very favorite. You know, just really good proportioned and really great colors. So this by far is my favorite paint job. And there's a guy here that has a business that he has a printer or plotter and plots out these graphics and does different, or you know, whatever you want them on. Car, truck, bus, SUV, RV, you name it. And that's another one of our friends, Margie and Jeff. There, another shot of it. Yeah, this is my favorite. That is a really cool paint job. Now this is being creative with the bus. It's like they chopped the back part off, a section of it out. Anyway, moved the back up on the frame and then made it like a, I guess like a gooseneck or fifth wheel hitch. And then you can carry your toys, pull your toys around with your bus. So yeah, that's pretty creative. I don't know, actually I think I want to take a walk back up by the where you register at the office, the restaurant bar area. I think there's we're getting together a very well organized potluck, I think, up at the pavilion. Come on Bella. I was like, do I have to be on a leash? Oh, and this place is very, very pet friendly. So, well, there are pet rules, but as long as you keep your dog under control, not out of trouble, yeah, they're pretty friendly. We took a walk over through there. You see where the sidewalks are? That actually used to be a miniature golf course over there, but it's been left go. It's probably just didn't get enough use to make it worth the maintenance and everything to keep it up anymore. But it's you know, kind of a nice walking path back in through there. Yeah, a couple people down there. There's another vehicle down there unloading a few things. The potluck's not till later. But this dog here, as I understand, is the grounds dog. It's that's the owner right there. He keeps an eye on the place. Come on, Bella. Come on, girl. All right. Yeah, there's probably about 8 or 10 picnic tables in there. Just a great fireplace. All right. Now what? There's the old van sitting over there. We're back just a little later. People are starting to gather. I've been seeing people carrying dishes over here, so the food must be getting assembled. All right, look at all this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got lucky. I got a good spot in line this time. I got started. Didn't take me too long, but that line goes way, way, way back to the other building.
Meyer. All from Meyer. Frankie's bugging me. Most Michiganders call it Myers. We put the S on it, but it is Meyer out of Grand Rapids. All right. 807-150. 807-150.
You got 2 of them?
Ooh, one off. 142.
117.
I moved over here so I wouldn't have to walk as far to get my prize when I win. So see if my luck changes any. Oh, Margie won a Skoolie U.P t-shirt. Nice. Okay, all the excitement's over. We did come back over to the van, and I did finally win a coffee cup with the state of Michigan on it. So there's that. I'm a winner. So tomorrow is the last day of the event, and it's actually considered cleanup day, where everybody's packing up and cleaning up anything that's around. So we'll probably be heading out of here tomorrow. I mean, it's a regular campground. We could stay beyond the event, I mean, for sure. but I think we're moving on anyway. Something happened to the van already. Well, not the van, but one of the electronics I put in has failed already. The new solar system and the inverter, that's what's happened. The inverter has failed. It's 5 weeks old. It's a Renogy product. I don't know what the warranty is on it yet for sure, but I'll have to look into that and probably arrange a return and exchange sort of thing. But I need power when I'm out on the road. I'm not going to wait around. I'm going to just see if I can get refunded, or if they do exchange it, I'll just keep it as a spare, because it just seems they only last so long. You know, over the 4 or 5 years I've probably been through 3 of them. So, yeah, I'm lucky to get a year on average out of them, it seems. But yeah, I'm going to get one online on Amazon. I'm having it shipped to another friend of ours that was here, Chuck, down to Chuck's house. I'm going to make a loop and kind of swing down by his place, so it'll be there waiting on me here in a day or two. So I'm going to go and get that taken care of and installed, have all my power back. I do have the Jackery still, you know, as backup power. I'm glad I have it. So yeah, we can get by till then. There was just an announcement that there's free ice cream sandwiches over, ice cream sundaes over at the pavilion. Kids already went first. There's plenty left over. They want the adults over there because they don't want any leftover ice cream. So I'm gonna do my part and help them get rid of that. Look at all this. Look at all this ice cream. All these sprinkles. All kinds of toppings.
All the keychain kids up here first.
And Hershey's syrup, whipped cream, and cherries. Next morning we're leaving. This has been really, really, really nice up here. I should say too, yeah, we said our goodbyes. There wasn't many of them because a couple of us, we're gonna reconvene here just down the road. Me and Bella might go do a couple things today, but then later on I think we're all gonna join back up, and yeah, we're gonna hang out and do a couple things together and camp somewhere. So we're not just running off and leaving everybody right now. A couple people have gone another way, so you know, we said our goodbyes to them. You know, this upper peninsula of Michigan, you know, it seems, you know, a good 5 to 10 degrees cooler than all the heat that's going on, you know, back at the garage and actually where we're going, where it's gonna be mid-80s, 90 and a little bit maybe, and up here it's been mid-70s. You know, it's and a little cooler at night, so it's been a nice break here this time of the year. This, you know, July, end of July, beginning of August, you know, when summer's at its hottest. This has been some nice relief up here. It's been just perfect, just beautiful weather. We've enjoyed it. I can see certainly coming back here for a little spell next summer. But there's the dumpster right there, and get rid of my trash, and we're gonna get on the road. Thanks for coming along as always. We'll see you soon. I'll see you.